Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is day 4 of review week, and in this video I will be reviewing this aloe vera face wash by Roop Mantra. This retails for 83 rupees and you will get 115 ml of the product, and the packaging is very usual tube packaging. You can get all the details on the back side of the tube. So talking about the ingredients, it contains neem, tulsi and aloe vera as the main ingredient. It does contain preservatives like sodium methyl paraben and sodium propyl paraben. So the product is in gel consistency and it does not have any specific smell. The face wash does not lather up, so you need to splash some water on your face and then apply the face wash. Do not rub it for more than 1 minute, followed by a toner and a moisturizer. So this does not make your skin dry or stretchy, so people with dry skin also can go for this face wash. Neem and tulsi are antifungal and antibacterial in nature, and they will help to prevent acne from your face and make it more clear. And aloe vera has a good amount of water in it, so it is really good for your hydration. It helps to keep your skin moist, keep it clean, and if you have problem of dark spots, then it will also help to erase them. So on the back side of the tube, it is mentioned that this product should be sold only if it is prescribed by a medical practitioner. You can buy this product from a local store or even online on Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box. So this was all for this video. I hope this was helpful for you. If you liked it, then do share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till my next video, take care and bye bye.